Hello, my name is Wahananto. You can call me Ivan. My last NPM is 2036.
Sekali lagi Pratama, you can call me Kali. My last NPM 2001.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dinda Riyanti. You can call me Dinda. My last NPM 2027.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I was thinking, next week we will have our exam, our final exam. Right?
There is a lot to prepare for it.
That must be very stressful for us. What about we make a plan for a holiday?
Also, I going to ask Dinda for it. Hello Dinda.
Hi Gali. Hi Ivan.
What do you think if we make a plan for holiday after the final exam?
I think good idea. We can release our stress for it after the exam.
Yes, but we are going. Do you have any education?
Hey, have you heard about Mount Sumbing? I heard it's a stunning mountain to hike.
Yeah, I've heard about it though. It's located in Central Java, Indonesia. I've seen some breathtaking picture of the mountain and the surrounding landscape.
Sorry, I haven't heard about Mount Sumbing. Could you guys describe it to me?
Of course, Mount Sumbing is an active stratovolcano standing at an elevation of 3,371 meters. It's a part of Dieng Plateau, known for its beautiful scenery and cultural significance.
The mountain is covered in lush green forests and its slopes are adorned with trackless rice fields, creating a picturesque view. The peak offers a panoramic vista of the surrounding valleys, other mountains, and even nearby volcanoes.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Is it a challenging hike?
Yes, it's considered moderate to challenge. Depending on the road you choose, are a few different trails to reach the summit. You must be one start from the village of Sigedang, which is known as the Sigedang Road.
The trek usually takes around 6 to 8 hours depending on your age and fitness level. It's important to be prepared with proper hiking gear such as sturdy shoes, warm clothing, and sufficient food and water.
Mm, That's good to know. Are there any notable landmarks or attraction along the way?
Absolutely. One of the highlights is Talaga Warna, a vibrant color lake located near the base of the mountain. It called colorful light due to its changing house caused by the reflection of sunlight on the water surface.
Additionally, you will come across the famous Hindu temples of the Dieng Plateaus you hike up. These ancient temples, such as Arjuna Temples Complex, are well preserved and provide a glimpse into the region's rich history and culture.
Wow, it sounds like a truly remarkable experience. I'd love to visit Mount Sumbing someday. Thanks for sharing the details, guys.
You're welcome. It's definitely destination worth considering if you enjoy nature, hiking, and breathtaking views. Let us know if you plan to go, and we can give you more tips and recommendations.
Thank you. Bye. See you later.
This is finally. Thanks for your attention and see you. Goodbye.